Hi, I'm Rahul Joshi. In this video, I'll explain the AI telehealth appointment confirmation and rescheduling assistant workflow in n8n. This workflow takes a booked appointment, uses GPT-4o Mini to assess appointment risk, sends Telegram reminders, handles confirmation or rescheduling, updates Google Calendar, and notifies the admin when a slot becomes free. Step 1. Appointment booked. The workflow starts when a new telehealth appointment is booked through the n8n form. This captures patient details like name, Telegram chat ID, appointment date, appointment time, reason for visit, and booking status. Step 2. Generate AI content. This AI node reviews the appointment details and generates the message content. It also helps assess whether the appointment is low risk or high risk based on the patient's booking details and appointment context. Step 3. OpenAI GPT-4o Mini. This is the AI model connected to the content generation node. It powers the reasoning and message generation for the appointment reminder flow. Step 4. Parse AI risk score. This code node parses the AI output and extracts the appointment risk score. It prepares the score in a clean format so the next if node can route the patient correctly. Step 5. High risk. This if node checks whether the risk score is greater than or equal to 70. If the score is high, the workflow sends stronger follow-up reminders. If the score is low, it sends a lighter appointment reminder. Step 6. Telegram. Low risk reminder. For low risk appointments, this Telegram node sends a simple reminder to the patient. It confirms the appointment details and keeps the message light. Step 7. Telegram appointment reminder. For high-risk appointments, this Telegram node sends the first appointment reminder. It asks the patient to confirm whether they will attend the telehealth appointment. Step 8. Telegram high-risk follow-up. This node sends an additional follow-up message for high-risk appointments. It increases the urgency and encourages the patient to respond. Step 9. Telegram final urgent reminder. This Telegram node sends the final urgent reminder. It gives the patient one more chance to confirm before the workflow checks for a response. Step 10. Wait 2 hours for response. This wait node pauses the workflow for 2 hours. It gives the patient time to respond before the system decides whether rescheduling is needed. Step 11. Cannot attend. This if node checks the patient response. If the patient cannot attend, the workflow moves to the rescheduling path. If the patient confirms attendance, it moves to the confirmation path. Step 12. Google Calendar. Confirm event. If the patient confirms the appointment, this Google Calendar node updates the appointment event. It marks the appointment as confirmed. Step 13. Telegram. Confirmed message. This Telegram node sends a confirmation message to the patient. It tells them their telehealth appointment has been confirmed successfully. Step 14. Google Calendar. Create reschedule slot if the patient cannot attend. This Google Calendar node creates a new reschedule slot. This helps move the patient into a new appointment time. Step 15. Telegram reschedule confirmation. This Telegram node sends the reschedule confirmation to the patient. It shares the updated appointment details and confirms that the new slot has been created. Step 16. Google Calendar. Check waitlist slots. After rescheduling, this Google Calendar node checks the waitlist or available calendar slots. It identifies whether the original appointment slot can be reused. Step 17. Telegram. Notify admin of free slot. This final Telegram node notifies the admin that a slot has become free. The admin can then offer that slot to another patient or manage the schedule manually. That's the complete AI telehealth appointment confirmation and rescheduling assistant workflow. It takes a booked appointment, scores the appointment risk with GPT-4o Mini, sends Telegram reminders, confirms attendance, handles rescheduling, updates Google Calendar, and alerts the admin when a slot becomes available. I'm Rahul Joshi. If this was useful, I drop one free workflow like this every week inside my school community, JSON file included, setup guide included, completely free. Over 130 people are already using these. Link in the description, come join us. See you in the next one.